We are pleased to show you the 2022 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.